Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change language on Robinhood. As if I open the application of Robinhood, so there is no direct option to change the language from within the app. So you won't find any of the settings related to the changing of your language. But however, how you can do it is just go to the settings of your mobile phone, and once you're into the settings, just search on the above section language and search the language and open the language and region option. In the Android it will be a similar option as well. So in this section, as you can see, preferred language, I have added two of the languages. So make sure to first of all change your region and select the region, whatever your region is, and after that just add the language, whatever your required language is. Let's say that I want to add Francis, as you can see, like a French language. I want to add this language. So you can just click on it, search it, and add the language inside your mobile phone. And after that, you can just convert the whole mobile language into that specific language, and you will be able to see some changes in the Robinhood mobile application. But make sure that, as you can see, like Robinhood application is mainly made for the English countries, or the countries where English is the main language. So some of the languages might not be supported by the Robinhood, but some of the languages might still be supported by the Robinhood as well, and you can change it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.